Marlena McWilliams. I'm the team lead of Moscati & Company. I'm inviting you guys to see our new exclusive listing right here in Trinidad, Washington, DC. These units are called the Penn Decks. You may be wondering why it's called the Penn Decks. And that's because each unit has its own private rooftop deck. These units range from 961 square feet all the way to 1,310 square feet. Each unit encompasses white oak hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, and 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. There's parking available for purchase. And of course, each unit off of the rooftop deck, or if you're in our penthouse units, you're able to see the National Monument and the Capitol. So whether you're looking to buy, sell, or interested in one of our units, please call, text, or follow us on any social media platform at Moscati Co. I'm Marlena McWilliams, and one of our agents will be available to assist you. Thank you.